Hey beauties, welcome back to another edition of Quarantine Tutorials. It's a beautiful day outside and I feel very inspired to just do something very fresh and pretty. I like to be pretty. So let's jump right in, okay? Let's start with our NYX Hydra Touch primer. Here it is. So we're gonna put a bit of that on. We're gonna do the Hydra Touch here on the forehead and the chin. I have big pores, so I'm gonna use my YSL pore refiner. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. Nothing reduces the size of pores, but it just makes it appear smaller. Boom. This is called, it's by Borghese, and it looks like that. And it's called Splendor Brightening Makeup. So this works on every complexion. When I mean every complexion, I mean every complexion. And my girlfriend that works for the brand, she's like, pale white compared to me. And when she gave it to me, she's like, oh, it works for every skin complexion. I'm like, that ain't gonna work for my complexion. But she was right. She works for the brand. She knows more than I do. So I'm putting this on my bare skin because, look how pretty that is. Because I wanna give us a lit from within glow. Move on to the foundation. I'm gonna use my Luminous Silk foundation by Giorgio Armani. This is an award-winning foundation. Celebrities, everybody uses it. It's absolutely incredible. I just want our skin to look very healthy and glowy, and I just want it to reflect the prettiness of the day. And yes, I'm wearing my little Wakanda head wrap again, out of spite. Okay, so here we go, blend it in. And you see how that Borghese just kind of disappeared there? Yep, that's what we want. Next, I'm gonna prime my brows with my NYX Waterproof Brow Primer. I actually went looking for a new one today at CVS, can't find it. So I usually get it from Ulta. So I think I'll just wait until, I'll either order it online or just wait until Ulta opens again. I love this because it gives my brow pencil something to adhere to, and it keeps my brows nice and mattified so they don't look like they're gonna slide off of my face. So next item up for bid, we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm really digging this e.l.f. concealer. I love it, love it, love it. So she's gonna make an appearance quite often. I'm not even gonna wait for it to dry down like I do my other concealers. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna blend it right in because I don't need any drama. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's great. And if it starts to get dry, remember, just spray your face. It starts to move all over again. This girl gonna be snatched just to sit in her living room, child. Hello. And this is an e.l.f. concealer brush. So I'm just using that to buff out any harshness that I might have. I want everything to look soft and beautiful. Yay. Let's move on. I think I want a little bit more brightness under my eye. So I'm gonna go in with my All Hours Concealer by YSL. I'm just gonna give myself a couple dots here and here. Yeah, that's what I want. And that one I can let sit for a sec. So I'm gonna do my brows while we wait. So brush in your product. What color am I gonna use today? Yeah, I'll use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This one is in the color Chocolate. Nothing better than a brand new brow pencil to get your day going. Oh, I love it. All right, so YSL is ready. Let's blend her in. Yes, that's what I want. Just a tiny bit more brightness under the eye. Stunning. Next, let's get some Fenty going. my primer for my eyeshadow. This is a paint pot from MAC and it's called Rubenesque. So it looks like that. It's really pretty golden, coral, shifty, all kinds of beautifulness going on in this paint pot. It's so pretty, like sometimes I wear it by itself. And with a clean, fluffy brush, it's just a fluffy brush from YSL, I'm gonna take that and buff it out. Go into your bronzer. Just finish your brow here. That's coming along rather beautifully. Next up, I haven't used this palette in such a long time. I got it when it was like fresh out, but ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. I love this. It's so pretty and very, 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 very spring. So I'm gonna go here into this color called Meadow. That's gonna be my transition moment. Highly pigmented, there is some kickback. You don't need to dig too much. And just rock that back and forth in the crease. Okay, I think I have it where I want it. With another fluffy brush, I wanna go to this color here. And it's called ICYMI, but in case you missed it, that's what it means. No, really, that's what it means. Okay, so take that color, go right beneath that first color, Meadow, that you laid down. That goes right there. Oh, so pretty. Okay. So then take that brush that you did Meadow with, just blend those two colors together. Take your eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go into this color here called Dream Maker. It's right here. And that's gonna go all over your lid. Perfection. So while you're in that palette, take that same flat brush and dip into this color called Early Morning, the color right there. Dip right into there, and you're gonna go into your inner corner. Now be very, very careful because this is a pressed glitter. You don't wanna mess up and get that into your eye. I love ColourPop. They come up with like the cutest little palettes and they're so inexpensive. It's like, how can you go wrong? You can't. You just can't. And I'm always here for a good matte brow. So I'm going to this color right here. It's called Catch Me. Catch me if you can. And go right here in your brow. That's gonna give you like a nice little brow lift. Pretty. I'm gonna reach for my eyeliner. And this one is called So There Jade. In my waterline, I should say. Ooh. And it just picks up the teal that's in that glitter in the corner eye. Now, I'm gonna pull out my ColourPop Disney palette and I'm gonna go right here, and it's called Frog and Wife. So that green color right there. And I'm just gonna pack on that green and kind of blend that with, slightly blend that with the eyeliner we just put down. There's also a color in here that I like for the crease. So I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and just deepen that crease just a tiny bit more. And the color is Nutmeg. Probably one of my most favorite colors in this palette. Beautiful. I'm just having fun. And then go ahead and blend. Make sure you're blending along the way. So next, let's do some mascara. This is very, very new, but it's Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. I love a good lash. I love a good lash. So we're gonna try that out. Ooh, okay. Come on, wand, I like that. It gives me Better Than Sex vibes from Too Faced. That's what I'm talking about. Like, give me a lash. All right, mascara's on. Let's move on. And let's do some blush. Today's blush is going to be Style. It is a Frost from MAC. That's what it looks like. I love this one. It's like a beautiful coral color. There's already some, it is a Frost, so there's already some light reflecting pigment in there. Oh, it looks so pretty, guys. So pretty. I love when makeup is pretty. That's just the thing. And then I'll go in with Cork. Yes, Cork by MAC. Just align the lips. We're gonna do a little lipstick. This one is very, very drugstore. I believe I got it from the hair store because I'm such a hair store fan. But this one is by LA Colors. It's in the color Heavenly. I love how it's slightly nude, slightly coral. It's so pretty. And then last but not least, I'm gonna do the ColourPop Ellery collection. This one is called Stilo, and that's just a gloss that's gonna go right on top of the lip. I know they just concentrate right here in the middle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So pretty. I'm gonna put on a lash and I'll be right back. So we're back, lashes are on. So let's finish up our look. So I wanna use today, just to keep in the like the dewiness, glowiness look, I'm gonna use my travel size of Max Fix Plus and just spray that on real quick. Ooh, I love the way it smells. And then take my handy dandy brush, blend all of that together. I don't have any bronzer on today. Just wanted to keep the look fresh and not like forced. Fresh, fresh, fresh. There you go, guys. That's the look. Let me know what you think in the comments. And always like, subscribe, share, purchase my book. Everything is down in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll see you next time. Bye.